Hi, thanks for coming to watch this video. Mike Anderson here talking about estate planning, and one of the questions that we get on a regular basis is the question, are estate planning fees tax deductible? Now, as you are aware, I'm licensed in the state of Utah. We practice here in Utah, and therefore we're under the jurisdiction of the United States. In the United States, we have the Internal Revenue Code, and the Internal Revenue Service administers that code. So there are, and to answer the question, basically and simply the answer is yes, you can deduct your estate planning expenses as well as costs of administering an estate under the IRS code. Publication 529 is the publication you should be looking at in order to deduct the costs of your estate planning. And it's CFR 26 CFR 20.2053-3 is the deductions for expenses of administering an estate. In essence, I mean, if you want to go look up those things, you certainly can. But in essence, what you're looking at, if you're going to be deducting the costs of your estate planning, is it falls into the general or the miscellaneous deductions on your taxes, which can't exceed 2%. Your accountant should know about this. But the reference you want to go look at is publication 529. Now, if you're administering an estate, the rules are somewhat different. Again, you can look at that CFR, 26 CFR 20.253, or 2053, sorry. That would be the reference there. In essence, if you are itemizing your deductions, you can absolutely deduct your estate planning expenses, but they are subject to a 2% limit. Something to consider. I'm not sure if you are itemizing your deductions or not. If you have tax questions, estate and gift tax, you can absolutely contact us. However, we're not CPAs, so we don't prepare tax returns. We do assist people with auditing and when there's a question about a past return or doing an offer and compromise, basically resolving a tax issue. Or doing a gift tax return, but we're not accountants, we're attorneys. So we help people with their estate plans. And so if your question was, can I deduct my costs and expenses of creating my estate plan, you absolutely can. They are just subject to a 2% limit. If you have other questions or concerns, please give our office a call, 801-676-5507. Again, 801-676-5507. We'd be happy to offer you a free, no obligation initial consultation, see if we're a good fit and if we can work together. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.